Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. I have Mitali with me. इनकी story काफी interesting है by the way. She is currently pursuing her HR from SIBM Pune. Though she always wanted to make it to XLRI Jamshedpur and TIS of the world, but finally she is happy in SIBM Pune because she could get what she could have got in XLRI. So Mitali, welcome to this podcast. Yeah. I know सबका dream होता है कि अगर HR करना है तो XLRI Jamshedpur करना है. By the way, she converted couple of B schools. But she left it and she got into SIBM Pune. I would love to understand your story कि how did you decide कि अगर मुझे Excel नहीं मिलता है and जो भी colleges आपको मिले वो छोड़ के आपने SIBM Pune क्यों choose किया HR के लिए?
Okay, so there are multiple reasons why I chose SIBM over other colleges.
Okay.
First is of course the batch size is what attracted me. It is smaller, so I thought the opportunities that I would get here would be much better.
Right.
The student culture, there are so many student councils, special interest groups which I could be a part of. And I thought the overall development that I would get here would be tremendous. So I thought, why not? And the alum base, whenever I talk to seniors or alum from this college, I've always, there's one point that the alum base is wide here. So the kind of exposure that I would get when I would get into the industry, the kind of relationships I would build with my peers here, because of the batch size, I would share very close bonds with the people here. That is what attracted to me. Plus the HR, the placements, specifically for HR if you see, they are at par with other B schools. So I had no question about whether I wanted to join here or not.
What are the B schools you left for SIBM?
I left NM, NMIMS, I left XIMB, I left SEMHRD.
Now, NM, XIMB, SMHRD are big names in the HR domain by the way. And a lot of students know कि यार ये colleges बहुत बड़े हैं. But now you have student who's telling you that I still chose SIBM Pune. Would love to understand your profile. Where you from? What you've done, bachelor's and all that. Do you have a work ex?
No, I don't have work ex. I'm a fresher.
Wow.
And I did my psychology honors from Delhi University.
Okay. Okay. Can you give us a little idea कि HR के जो roles होते हैं, right? In a general level, अगर किसी को MBA in HR करना है, क्या roles होते हैं जो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत top level पे आते हैं? फिर कोई normal roles भी होते हैं और जो SIBM पुणे में भी available है.
Okay, so there are multiple roles. For example, if you go into talent acquisition, learning and development, organizational development, change management, HR consulting, these are the common roles that you would get into if you as a starting role in HR. These are the fields.
Okay, and what sort of roles we will be able to get here in SIBM?
All of these.
All of these.
Yeah.
Acha, now let's take it to the next level. So let's say, for example, somebody is there and would love to get into, let's say, XYZ role. Maybe OD हो गया या फिर कॉम्पेन बेन हो गया एंड गनिंग फॉर XLRI जमशेदपुर या फिर टिस. बट मान लो उनका एग्जैक्ट नहीं निकला या फिर इंटरव्यू नहीं सही गया एंड SIBM पुणे उनके पास चॉइस है. क्या वो कॉम्पेंसेट कर सकता है इन चीज़ों को?
Definitely. I feel even in the internship that I was in a big FMCG. So all the interns, all my peers were from these XLRI TIS. I was at par with them. The roles that I was getting were the same.
Okay, so आपका जो SIP हुआ था वहाँ पे Excel TIS के सबके बच्चे थे and there was no difference at all.
There was no difference at all.
Awesome. So same profile, same packages.
Same packages.
So now another question. You made a mention कि सर HR में भी consulting होता है, right? Likewise, what all other profiles are there? जैसे अगर मैं फाइनेंस के बारे में बात करूँ, फाइनेंस में इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग इज द टॉप नॉच. ऐसे HR में क्या क्या प्रोफाइल्स होते हैं जो टॉप लेवल पे आते हैं एंड बच्चों ने एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए बिफोर दे गेट इनटू द MBA B school?
Before answering that, SIBM ke through whatever roles that you get are very, because HR was the first course that was started in SIBM Pune. So our alum base goes till CHRO level. So because of that, there are a lot of opportunities that are present here. Organization development and change. We work directly with C-suite levels as well.
Okay.
If we start a corporate stint. Whether it's learning and development, whether it's talent acquisition, whether it's compensation benefits, you can get into any division if you want. You start with a very common, you get experience with all of these roles, and then you can choose wherever you have your interest in. So we have that option in any kind of field in HR.
Okay. How's the batch profile for HR in SIBM Pune? How's the peer group?
Peer group is amazing. I feel everyone is better than the other person here.
Right.
And because we are coming from so many different backgrounds, education backgrounds, cultural backgrounds, even international students are studying with us. So the kind of exposure that we are getting, we are exposed to so many diversity and a variety of ideas. So all-round development is there even within the HR batch.
Okay.
And we are also interacting with students from marketing, finance, operations, data analytics. So it's not like we are confined within the HR field. We are getting exposed to everything here.
Okay, perfect. My follow-up question will be, when you talk about HR, right? So can you give us a little idea about case competition कैसे होता है? Because a lot of people don't know कि HR में भी case competitions होते हैं.
Definitely.
And SIBM Pune is known for case comps.
Right.
People have done a fantastic job. So any idea about that?
Definitely, there are a lot of HR specific case competitions that do come to our college, and so there are seniors and our faculty, everyone helps us to in all of that so that we prepare well. And there are not just general management competitions but HR specific competitions that are coming, and we do have national winners from our competition from our HR batch every year here.
Okay. How much money you guys have made till now per competition?
It depends on the
It's okay.
competition.
You can skip that question. My next question to you would be, you made a mention that जो भी HR के जो टॉप नॉच हेड्स हैं, जो भी टॉप नॉच कंपनीज, और ये सही बात है कि आप कोई भी कंपनीज ना इंडिया की टॉप उठा के देखो, वहाँ पे आपको HR में SIBM पुणे के alumni मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे. My question to you, did you ever had a chance कि ये जो हेड HR है बड़े बड़े कंपनीज के, उनको ऐसे सामने देखे, उनसे बातें करे ऑन कैंपस?
Definitely, जो leadership
Okay.
talks हमारे होते हैं, they're quite frequent. That
Okay.
मतलब if you see every other week, every 2 weeks, someone or the other is coming on a campus, and we have an opportunity to directly talk to them. Even during my internship, I got an opportunity to talk to so many leaders from my company. So that was something which really gives us a lot of exposure, and development में बहुत help करता है हमारी.
Okay, another question, just popped up in my mind. What makes SIBM Pune one of the best B school for HR, according to your experience, because you have spent 1.5 years now?
Right. That made SIBM stand out, I feel, is the peer group.
Right.
We are, since the batch size is small, the bonds that we make here are lifelong. So all of these people around us, they would, become heads of big
Right,
companies.
true.
So our peer group is that.
Right.
Apart from that, the alum base, of course, and the student-driven culture, everything. Even if you see the admissions process here at SIBM, it is all managed by the students.
Right.
So that is what attracted me. That everything is managed here by the students. So what kind of development I would transform as a person by the end of these 2 years.
Right. Final question to you, Mithali. It's been 1.5 years in SIBM Pune, and I know Excel के सपने थे, TIS के सपने थे. Is it worth at the end of the day? Any regret?
I have no regret actually coming to SIBM Pune. I think it was the best decision that
Right.
I ever made. I don't regret that I didn't get into accelerators because I'm getting everything here. Even the campus, it's so beautiful. You cannot get this anywhere else.
True that.
And
true
everything that I would get in accelerators, I'm getting here. So I'm very happy here.
What sort of advice you will give it to the next generation? मतलब there will be a lot of guys and girls aiming for HR, right? Would you be advising them to join SIBM Pune eventually? अगर बड़े dreams नहीं होते हैं तो like colleges नहीं होते हैं तो.
Definitely, SIBM Pune, I think there is a perception that SIBM Pune is not for HR. But when I actually got into it, I thought this is the best place I could get for HR. The kind of
Perfect.
exposure I'm getting, the kind of companies that I'm getting here, the kind of faculty that there is, the kind of exposure I'm getting to the industry firsthand. I feel the peer groups that I'm forming. I feel even if you don't get those, top known
Right.
colleges for HR,
Right.
you should, without thinking, go for SIBM Pune and totally for
Absolutely,
it.
absolutely. So guys, you heard Mithali, right? Whatever she said, I would really want you all to kind of go to SIBM Pune ka website, check out their placement report, see companies on the campus, इनके alumni base आप देख लो, and you will then say that whatever she said is spot on. So guys, that's it from our side. Thank you so very much, Mithali, for giving some time. It was a great interview. And guys, for her and whatever knowledge that she has shared, do hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.